I'm looking at a blood report. The patient just came in this past week and was told by their medical doctor that they've seen for a thyroid condition where it was so bad that they had to have their thyroid virtually removed. It was actually irradiated. And they hand me the blood test to go over, and they asked me to explain to them what's really going on because they feel terrible. Now, again, they walk in with the blood test and say that it's all normal, according to the doctor. Well, the first things that I look at is I look at the same blood test, but not from a pathological point of view, on a functional level. And on this so-called normal test, we're seeing functions that are showing me that this patient can't handle carbohydrates, they have poor glucose management, they have a positive autoimmune disease, probable Hashimoto's disease. This is the same blood test that we just looked at. There's a folic acid deficiency with a problem of pernicious anemia, a B12 deficiency, and the patient, from their own blood test, shows that they're having chronic infection. Now, when I look at the blood test on the second page, we can actually see liver damage and cardiac strain. We're looking at inflammatory markers and stasis in the liver and gallbladder. Their utilization of protein is poor, and they're having difficulty with hydrochloric acid problems. When I look at the levels of CO2 in their blood, we can see that they're having acidosis and a dysglycemia and a malabsorption of their calcium. In turn, when I look at the blood test, it's very different than the typical doctor.